Guys, this is the fort of Nirvar. This fort is situated in middle of Nirvar. So you can watch this fort. I think you have visited it. Yes. Look dear. This is the city of Nirvar. Okay. This is the whole city. This is the whole city of Nirvar. I think the fort is built by King Nal. I think you know all about it because you all are literate. And you can read it very carefully. Okay. Yes, thank you. Let's move. Go on. What the miraculous scene of this fort? Am I right or not? Miraculous, really, guys, miraculous. There are lots of people who are tired of walking, so they are sitting here or there. Look, guys, and most of the students are enjoying themselves.
पहचान लिया क्या?
बिल्कुल सांसा है।
हाँ कहाँ हो?
Look, guys, there are a lot of stairs in this fort. When we reach the entry gate, I think I quite tired. Look, my friend, help me. You can see my friends. His face also grey, and I feel very hot. And every person who is here feel very hot today because they are tired. Okay. So you can the person who is moving here, and wow, what a miraculous scene. You need to watch this fort because this is really very amazing. Okay. And look, guys, this is the entry gate of the fort. You can watch it. Boy and girls are running here with joy. Rahul, this is very long. This fort is very amazing, so we can say most of people in India are coming here to visit this fort. Okay, I'm very tired, so my voice is not very clear. Okay, but I think I'm not able to reach up the stair of the fort, but I'm trying. But I'm trying. My heartbeat is very high, and I'm totally tired. What a miraculous scene, guys! Amazing. What type of stone are cutting here? Yes, this is really fort. You have to see it in your future time. I'm totally tired, guys. I can't see my face because my face is very bad. Okay. Look, my dear, this is a new building in this fort. Look, guys, what the street! Wow, like a village. Most of students are there and playing many types of game in this palace. We can use this building named palace. Palace means a historical building. Okay. Now, guys, this is also an old palace. This is the way of entry, and you can watch. I will see you whole fort of Narvar that are built by King Nal. Okay, Rahul, do not go there. औरतें नहाते हैं। कहाँ से भैया? गाँव से बिलोंग करते हैं। जय राजौल।
पानी खराब हो गया लगे। हाँ, निकासी बनी होगी ना पानी की। निकासी होगी। ये क्या है?
ओह राहुल, ऊपर के लिए रास्ता है। गाइस, ओह 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 ओह, miracle. This fort is like a village, like a village totally. Look here, really amazing. This is really amazing. You can watch it. Okay, guys. My lots of friends are leave me in this fort. Rahul, come this.
Right, give us the system.
No. This is a street. Look here. Go. Here, where are you going? Hey, do not go there now, please. Please. Do not do foolishly. Come. Guys, I'm quite tired in this palace. Oh, I'm not able to walk. I'm too tired to walk. Look, guys, this is the street of this palace. There are lots of room. Look, my dear. Oh, this is also a part of building.
अरे आ गए अपन बॉर्डर
No, 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 no. Oh, in this building, we have not gone,
नो गेले ही नहीं कम
but
ये और जबरदस्त है
oh, come on, Rahul, come on. What a palace, guys! This is really amazing palace. In this palace, lots of queen. Yes, wait it. Guys. Yeah. क्या? Oh, what is this? Oh, guys, this is swimming pool. You can see it. I think the king is bathing here. Okay. Come on, guys. Come on. What an incredible. Today, not a people cannot do this type of hard work. There are lots of people who remain here. This is also in palace. Okay, let's move from here. Here. Where are you going here? Rahul? Do not go up. Oh, guys, this is the top point of this palace. Okay, there are a lots of buildings in this fort, and the quality of this palace. There are a lots of buildings. There are a lots of ponds, and there are different types of valleys. Okay, now come. This is like a markets. Okay, there are many streets. I think there are many types of king. I think their degree or their category. So some category king live in the big building, and some category type king live in short building. Okay, and their worker also lived here. Guys, I can't forget this strip. Look guys, nothing but stone. There are nothing but stone. Guys, there are lots of buildings. I can see it all because there are so many. Understand, guys? लिख दिया